All right. So what's the range filter? So that's the one we got in. Look at this, 200. So it's up 22%, 100% now from when it was down. What 100 and more than that, man. 150% up from when it was down. This thing keeps rocking. So I'm noticing that, like, over the history, like over, uh, I don't know the date that I actually started. Um, let's see. Yeah, I have a sheet before this one. So let me see if I can find. Let's see, there was one. Wasn't there another one I had a sentiment? Uh, I thought I had. Yeah, here it is. This is the old one. Oh my gosh, man. This is like taking me back. Yep, when I first. Oh, yeah. This is when I first started. Do I have a date on it? Is there a way to find details? 2022. So it's the last time I edited it. Oh, wait, it says it. Okay. Created March 20. Wow. March 22nd, 2022. So that means I'm leaning back in the chair. That means it's been over 2 years. Wow. Wow. Just oh my gosh. Nostalgia. And I didn't do these at first. Interesting. What? I call it ratio. I call it ratio. Yeah, it was a ratio. It's a sentiment ratio. I called it ratio, and I just started. Then I start doing. I would do like send to the students with the buys word, like if it's strong buy week buy, and I used to change the colors of it and stuff like that. Wait a minute, see if I can find. Uh, rules for sentiment. Oh yeah, so what it said limit 32 pips. Market. I heard. I have no idea what it means. U.S. only. Oh, I was watching. Oh, it's too volatile. It didn't. None of this stuff mattered, man. Let's see, 7.5 hours. I don't know. I have no clue what this. Some of that means. DFX. I don't know. Oh yeah, I would do the thing for the students, right? There's like 30 students in the Telegram chat, and I would have the target. I would say, okay, lower to all these filled. So I would say which one was active or something. And these would hit one by one, hit. And it was so far away that they would think, oh, it's never gonna do that, or something like that, and it would just hit it. And I got tired of typing hit, and I just whatever, let them go. I mean, these were hundreds, even thousands of pips away. Uh, Weaker means increasing downward. So, and I had a volatility index. Oh my goodness, talk about serious, serious work. It was a lot of work, man. It was a lot of work. I enjoyed it. Oh, I forgot I used to put a bracket at the bottom. Now it's like my data in the line underneath. Wow. And how it all fit. How did I get them to fit like that? Oh, I was stretch. Oh, okay. So, and I noticed that this key number kept popping up, 22, 78, 78, 22, popular number. I mean, in like a what do you call that? A support resistance kind of number, you know? Oh, and I used to track the silver, and I did gold. I think that's gold. I think that's gold. I can't read it from here, but I think, yeah, it's gold. And I used to do gold. But I noticed they never really went to extremes. They zigzag back and forth. This is about as extreme as it would get right here. But silver more so did that than gold. Gold was a tough one because it didn't really. It was a tough one. It was just kind of weird. Um, it was always strange to me. I used to just see an age, and then I started doing colors. I said, no, I need to make it black. I need to see it better. And then after a while, I started tracking which ones were successful. Sheet one, sheet two, economic calendar. Then I started tracking which ones lost when. And I noticed that if they're in for at least a week, it's almost always a win. If it's in for like a week, even if it dropped like down half, if you lost half your money, right? It's just still it's incredible, and that's pretty much what happened. I mean, that's what happened now. I mean, this thing was way, way, way like all of these were red. Like it was like you just traded in the opposite direction. Um, but now I said I'm gonna leave it in for a week. I said, just whatever, just forget it, just whatever. I'm just gonna leave it. We'll come back and we'll check it. Then I noticed that it bottomed out into the week, and then it started coming back and coming back and coming back. And I said, no, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Usually on those big moves, you're gonna get big pullbacks. So you're gonna get like a big move forward. You got to take a big step back, and then it's a bigger move forward. So we follow the momentum on these. That's just what I'm doing. It's like momentum trading. But this is incredible now. It's at 24.9%. That's why I make it here so I know how many the percentage gain. Now, my prediction, I think this may hit 100% if I left it in for a month. So, I mean, I've done that only once and it went 100%. So, all right, I gotta get 10:41. I gotta get out of here, head to work, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you have questions about sentiment or any other questions about trading. I'll try to answer that for you. All right. Peace.